Hey Pro Radio family, welcome back. It's great to have you here. Today we have a full plate of exciting updates, and I walk you through 3 big things you can't miss. First, the release of Pro Radio 7.5, packed with improvements to make your radio station smoother and faster. Second, a first look at Spirit Sound, our brand new demo to show the full power of Pro Radio for pop, gospel and inspirational formats. And third, a very special surprise, the launch of a brand new series of posts and videos designed to help you grow your radio project from a simple passion into a real professional medium. So stay with me, it's going to be a good ride. First, what's new in Pro Radio 7.5? We've made your streaming even easier and more powerful. Our music player and sidekick now work natively with Radio Live's station playlist and broadcast.radio. Just drop your station URL in the settings, and your titles, covers and by links will show up live automatically, full in sync with your broadcast without extra headaches. Better experience for your listeners, full control for you. But that's not all. We also worked hard under the hood. The whole theme has been tuned to load faster. Cleaner queries, lighter style sheet, smarter scripts. Real-world tests show 30% to 40% faster page loads. Smoother experience for your audience and better SEO scores for your station. Everything simply feels more fluid. And if you're ready to update, it's super simple. Just open Pro Radio Admin, click Update Theme, and then Update and install plugins. If your updates and support period expired, no problem. There's a link in the article to renew easily. We'll have you up and running in no time. Now let's talk about something even more exciting, the new demo 41, Spirit Sound. Spirit Sound is not just a demo, it's a full blueprint for a vibrant professional radio website, especially designed for gospel and community radios, but perfectly adaptable to a pop music radio website. It bursts with bold, hot pink, yellow and aqua colors that immediately lift the mood. At the top, a full-screen on-air banner welcomes listeners with live Now On Air playing panel, flipping songs and covers in real time. But scroll down and you'll see the real magic, auto-updating top charts powered by Pro Radio song voting system. Your audience can directly vote for their favorite songs. Then we have a sermons carousel built with our podcasting module, perfect for sermons, inspirational talks, artist interviews or any kind of episode audio. A beautiful radio shows grid with smart on-air indicators, so listeners instantly know what's live or available for replay. An event sticker complete with countdowns and calendar integration, ideal for concerts, live sessions or church gatherings. Then a sleek speakers carousel, featuring your hosts, speakers or DJs with ratings, bios and contact options. And of course, the sticky player at the bottom, constant, interactive and beautiful. Spirit Sound is a showcase of how flexible and powerful Pro Radio really is. Whether you're running a gospel station, a pop channel, a motivational network or a hybrid of the 3, you'll be able to launch an incredible website in just a few clicks. And now the cherry on the top, a brand new educational series for you. Starting this week, we are launching How to Build a Real Online Radio, a full 10-part series written by industry coach Iván Tenorio. It's the guide we all wish we had when we started. Each post will cover a key aspect of launching and growing a real professional station, from designing your structure to creating a sound identity, writing for audio using AI without losing your voice, and promoting your station like a true media outlet. And here's the best part. Every Friday, a new article on the blog, with a 3-minute video to summarize the key ideas, and a podcast you can listen while you drive, jog, or set up your playlist. The first episode is titled The Radio of Your Dreams Fits in Your Pocket, and it will get you thinking in the right way, not about tools, but about purpose, identity, and vision. If you dream of taking your passion seriously, this series is for you. Make sure to subscribe, follow our blog, and don't miss a single episode. And that's it for today. A powerful update, a brand new demo ready for action, and a treasure chest of knowledge ready to be unlocked. Thank you for watching, for being part of the Pro Radio family, and for keeping the real radio alive in the digital age. Stay tuned, and as always, keep broadcasting with soul. See you soon on Pro Radio.